Hey again! Now that you understand how to check for required versus desirable criteria, let's take it even deeper. Because sometimes it's not just about qualifications. It's about the values and personality they're looking for. In this video, we'll show you how to spot keywords and values in a post, and how to use the upgrade-as-you-go mindset to evaluate them wisely. Scholarship posts and ads often include key themes they care about. These can show up as words that get repeated, adjectives in the description, a mission or vision statement, soft skills they emphasize. For example, we want future leaders with strong community values, or applicants will thrive in a fast-paced, innovative environment. These are more than just nice phrases, they are signals about the type of person they want. Now here's something important. Even if you don't currently have all these qualities or experiences, you don't have to cross yourself out. If it's something that can be demonstrated through a quick, realistic action before the application is submitted, you can still consider yourself a good match. That's where upgrade as you go comes in. Not as an action step right now, but as a smart mindset during this evaluation stage. Ask yourself, could I do something small that shows this value before submitting? If yes, great. You can confidently keep this post on your shortlist. Example, a post says, "We support leaders who are passionate about community service." Even if you've never done community work, you know you could join a cleanup event, tutor someone, or help with a small campaign before applying. So don't skip the opportunity. Write it down as a match. Because with upgrade as you go, you're evaluating based on what's possible, not just what's in your past. Another post says, "Ideal candidates are comfortable working in interdisciplinary teams." You've only worked with classmates from your own field, but you know you can start collaborating across disciplines soon, or even talk about how you've handled group projects before. Again, this isn't about taking action right now. It's about understanding that you can and will upgrade if you apply. So it's a green light to keep this post on your list. As you evaluate any opportunity, list the main keywords and values they mention, then ask, do I already have this? If not, ask, can I realistically show this before applying? If yes, mark it as, even if you haven't done it yet, because your plan is to upgrade as you go once you apply. That's how you keep your confidence high and avoid missing great chances. This is part of the bigger strategy we call the understand and match technique, where you carefully study what the post is really asking for, then show how you match it in a smart, honest way. So remember, just because something isn't in your profile today, doesn't mean it can't be added quickly and honestly. When evaluating scholarship posts, don't only ask, what do I already have? Ask, what can I build fast if I apply? That's the upgrade as you go mindset in action, and it will help you unlock more doors than you ever imagined. Next up, we'll bring everything together. You'll learn how to organize all these insights, requirements, values, keywords, into one simple table. This will make the next stage, writing your documents, much easier and faster. Let's go!